Hi everyone, this is me Supriya from Cosplay Genie powered by Nordwind Gaming, and I wish you all a very happy Holi. And in this video we are going to be making Sova's Hunter Fury. This was a bit challenging task for me as I did not had any patterns. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So this is the reference image that I am going to be using for the Hunter's Fury, and I'm going to be using 4mm EVA foam sheet, and then we're just going to draw the pattern onto it and then we'll just cut it out. We will need in total of 4 patterns for front and for the back. And in between 2 EVA foam sheets, we're going to add wooden sticks in order to provide a little strength. Here we are making another pattern which we are going to paste it onto it. So first we'll just draw and then cut it, and we're going to paste it according to the required design. And in total we'll have to make 4 parts so that we can cover the upper part and the lower part. Once we're done making all the parts, we're just going to paste it. And here I am working on another part which is going to be attached to the previous part that we have made. So for that we're just going to draw the pattern onto the EVA foam sheet, and then we're just going to cut it. First I'm drawing it onto the white sheet of paper, then I'll just trace it onto the foam sheet. And for this part in total we would need 4 parts for each side, that means total 8 parts. Before pasting all the parts together, we have to apply heat gun. And here pasting all the parts all together. To provide more structure, I am going to cut another pattern out of the EVA foam sheet. And in total we would need 4 parts so that we can cover the front and the back part. And now I'm going to work on the center part just like we have worked on previous parts, following the same procedure. And now working on few details. So all the parts of the props are ready, and now it's time to join them all together. Applying heat gun onto it. And here I am covering this whole prop with the 2 layers of synthetic glue. And after when it gets dried, we're going to cover it with the black and the blue paint. To make it look more realistic, I'm using here this silver dry paint for the highlighting. Spreading out the silver dry paint with the help of a paintbrush. And now we're just going to attach this string to the ends of the frock. And here I am working on the arrow. Using a rectangular EVA foam sheet and rolling it onto the aluminium rod. Cutting 4 right angle triangles also in order to make the tip of the arrow. In order to give it a more glossy finish, I am using this varnish spray. Painting the arrow with the dark and a little light blue shade, and the tip of the arrow, which is going to be a silver color.
So that's all for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And in the next video, we are going to be working on Sova's bracers and the shoes. So stay tuned to Cosplay Genie. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.